2.2 Newline sequence. Now, Newline sequence, as I told you, a very important sequence. It is very useful element for output formation. Just you see, already the same example we consider. Now, I put the data of your marks report like this, like your name, your class number, your roll number, your marks, your total marks, average marks, grade, etc., and all that. If I write like that, data wise it is 100% correct, but you never satisfy with this and you want to format it. If I make it properly formatted and then give it to you, you will be happy. It is because it will be readable. So, in order to convert this one into proper format, there are two operations. Two operations are required. The first one is breaking data. If you break data, it comes like this. Simply instead of this, if you write this one also, you are not happy. Then you have to format it. If you format it like this, then it will be highly readable, elegant, looks elegant, and you want this one. This is what we call formatted output. Formatted output. So, two operations you should learn. One is breaking data, second one is placing data. Not only breaking data means this is transformed like this. If you place it wherever you want to put, then you will be happy. It will be highly formatted output. This one means now in this chapter, mainly we are learning two operations. One is breaking data, second one is placing data. For breaking data sake, now I introduce, because the all elements are printed by printf only. We have to provide new line to the printf. Wherever you write new line, then the line is broken into two. New line sequence moves the cursor to the first position of the immediately next line. So you can understand it is a line breaker. Line breaker. So using this only we can break data. Otherwise we cannot, because printf by itself cannot break its data. By using new line sequence only we can break data and we format things. And thereafter we learn placing data. Placing data little later. First you see, let us apply new line sequence. Here page number 6, program number 1.2, sorry, 2.2 program you see. In 2.2 program, here you see, I have written a format using stars. Using stars. How it is created? This is created only because I have inserted new lines at the end of every printf statement. Here, how many printf statements I have written? Page number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 printf statements are there. Every printf statement, at the end of every printf statement, at the last element, I have written new line sequences. Because of that only, the format A has come. Otherwise, all the stars are printed in one line. That means you cannot format anything without using new line sequence. That you must realize. So, this is in 2.2, this you have seen. Now, come to 2.3 program. 2.3. In 2.3 program, what is the difference? If just compare 2.2 and 2.3, side by side, you see. Actually, in this, I have written all the new line sequences at the end of the printf statement, at the last element of the printf statement. Now, in 2.3, what I did, I have written all the new line sequence at the first element of the printf statement within the string. Now, both results are one and same. But you may get it out whether you have to insert new line sequence at the last element or the first element. Now, both are okay, but if you insert it as the first element, one benefit is there. What is the benefit? Already I told you. Now, suppose if you insert new line sequence as the last element, suppose for the same program, A is printed like this from the top, from the top. Now, if you insert new line sequence as the first element, A one line below, A is printed. It looks more elegant if you feel that your output should be printed one or two lines below and all that, you insert them in the beginning. Otherwise, you have to insert them in the ending. Normally, most programmers prefer to insert a new line sequence in the beginning of the printf statement. You also do that. That is a good practice. But one thing I am telling you, whatever practice you take, either last element or first element, you take throughout the program, same you follow. Every time make it what are the good habits. Now you should realize which is good. Whatever is good you feel, you should consistently throughout the program, you have to follow the same. That is always good. So by using Newline, we are able to format things like this and all. And always, once again, I am telling you, these Newline should not be written outside. Within the printf string only, you have to write, not outside. And if you want to insert between other characters, it's not a problem. A, B, C, new line, D, F, new line. Like that, you insert, nothing wrong. But only thing is, new line sequence should not be written outside. Then it leads to error. Always new line sequence should be the part of the printf statement. But wherever you write, then A, B, C, then line is broken. Now cursor is here. Cursor is moved to the first position of the next line, D, E, F. Then cursor is moved and like this. So where you want to break the data, there you have to insert new line sequence. It is the line breaker. Okay.